Hello guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am gonna show you installation of Library NMS platform. Library NMS platform. I already set up in the server. Now let's go to the installation steps. Okay, PHP, yeah, all this here. Now let's connect to the database and see how it's look like. Okay. I have already set up the database to the server. Design is database is also there. Now type the password, set credentials, okay, database connection with build database, visual, importing database. Now database build done. Now let's create admin user. Let's say this is the password, mail, this one, add user. Yeah, database created. Now let's try the document, save user report, and user report, monthly, daily, update panel, needs installation. It's saying that could not write the PNG file, manually update file. Okay. Mm, alright, see that it's visit. The installation is done. Here we have manage group section. You can new device group and you can select the permission. As well delay this. We have global setting. You can see the all settings from here. Global, level, yeah, or all request, authorization, integration, discovery, external, parallel, stream, web event. There is so many things you can try. There is map also. Devices. So yeah, this is the installation. Thanks for watching this video. Uh, Let me know if you like this one, if you know, if you need this application for your system. Uh, Also please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more updates. Thank you.